Hello and welcome to another video here on Powerdojo. In this video, we're going to have a look at how you can hide the column name of your column in the table visual. For the demonstration, we're going to use a data set. We're going to have a look at all the female leads that appeared in the Mission Impossible franchise. The last movie of the Mission Impossible franchise is coming out this week. I'm a big fan of that franchise as well as other Tom Cruise movies. In the matrix visual that we see over here, you can see which were the female leads, the actors that appeared in the 8 movies so far. At the bottom, we have a table visual in which we have summarized all the appearances of the female leads. So as you can see, Rebecca Ferguson has appeared thrice, Michelle Monaghan thrice. So in this table visual, the column name female lead is redundant. We already know that we're talking about female leads, so we can choose to hide this. So there are several methods you can use to do that. The one method that I use is you can click on the table visual in the visualization pane. You can see all the column names such as female lead and appearances in our case. You can click on the female lead column name, remove the existing text and add a blank space and say OK. So now you see the column name has disappeared. So this is one method you can do. The second method that I'm going to show you, first of all, will undo the change. So I'll rename it back to female lead. The second method that I want to show you is you can go in the format your visual option in the visualization pane. In the column headers option, you can change the text color. So we can change it to, let's say, the background color itself, so it camouflages the column name. But as you can see, this change applies for all the column names, not just one. This was the second method which you can use. The last method that I want to show you is something that Kurbal has already shown on her YouTube channel. You know, to Google zero width space, this will let you copy the character which is zero width. Kurbal has already explained on her channel what this consists of. The way she explained is we need to just copy the clipboard using this option, go back to our Power BI report, and once again in the column name, select the original text and paste the zero width text like this. So now you see, unlike the first method, I haven't put in the blank space. I have used the zero width space, which hides the column name like this. So there you go. These are the 3 methods that you can use in order to hide a column name. So that's all for this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments of what you thought about it. I will see you in the next video.